What advantage over an aquatic organism does a terrestrial organism have with regard to obtaining oxygen for respiration? Answer. Terrestrial organisms take up oxygen from the atmosphere, whereas aquatic animals obtain oxygen from water. Air contains more oxygen as compared to water. Since the content of oxygen in air is high, the terrestrial animals do not have to breathe faster to get more oxygen. Therefore, unlike aquatic animals, terrestrial animals do not need adaptations for gaseous exchange. What are the different ways in which glucose is oxidized to provide energy in various organisms? At first, 6-carbon molecule, that is glucose, is broken into cytoplasm of cells of all organisms. This process yields a 3-carbon molecule compound called pyruvate. Further breakdown of pyruvate takes place in different manners in different organisms. Anaerobic respiration, this process takes place in absence of oxygen, for example in yeast during fermentation. In this case, pyruvate is converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide. Aerobic respiration, in aerobic respiration, breakdown of pyruvate takes place in presence of oxygen to give 3 molecules of carbon dioxide and water. The release of energy in aerobic respiration is much more than anaerobic respiration. Lack of oxygen. Sometimes when there is a lack of oxygen, especially during vigorous activity in our muscles, pyruvate is converted into lactic acid, a 3-carbon molecule compound. Formation of lactic acid in muscles causes cramps. Question. How is oxygen and carbon dioxide transported in human beings? Transport of oxygen. The respiratory pigment hemoglobin present in red blood cells takes up the oxygen from air to lungs. They carry the oxygen to tissues which are deficient in oxygen.